Now we need to create some place cards. We're going to use mail merge. Mailings, start mail merge to normal Word document, correct. Now I'm going to select the recipients. It is an existing list which we're going to use. It's in the file sponsors, that database file. Okay, well, the list that I'm going to be using is from the table finance. But I'm not going to send that, I'm not going to use everybody. I need to edit this list. I only want it to go to advertisers. I only want it to those who are advertising true. Okay. Now, here, I'm going to replace that with the field first name, space. I'm going to replace that with the field surname. I'm going to replace that number of adverts with that field. I'm now going to save the file. Now I'm going to finish and merge. There. Merge to new document. Yes. Let me check. That looks correct. That looks correct. There are 11 people who are going to be attending that luncheon. I'm now going to file, save it as in my exam folder. And it must be called 4_place cards merged. There we are. So I've got two files, the one that is unmerged and the one that is merged.